In years past, I moved to keep myself the same at all costs. I feel a familiar pull to function and efficiency despite the changing horizon. Seasons move, time moves, life moves. Movement begins to extend further. To branch out with it requires courage. Something in me craves simple creativity. I start taking film photos. I can't tell if a photo will turn out. I let go and forget about it. Wait and see. I'm attentive and present to what the moment actually is, experiencing rather than curating. I think and observe long before I move. There comes a time to just try. Abstract is not natural. Not to me. With realism, there's always something to pick apart. Compare. With abstract, I pick out things that I like. There's nothing to obsess over. It's just expression. Gradually, I let go a little more. I respond to my surroundings rather than waiting for my surroundings to bend for me. No one else is monitoring me. I'm alone. Present, integrated. My body feels loose, fluid. My mind feels light. Seasons move, time moves, life moves, and I move with it. In seasons, the world changes. Why should we work in opposition to that?